Working with the Pages module. This particular video is meant to show you how to use the Pages module to give you a different URL that you may want to display on your site. The first thing that you're going to need to do is make sure that you actually have the Pages module set up, and you would do that by clicking on Modules. Scroll down through your list of modules, and you'll see Pages. If it hasn't already been installed, you're going to need to install it, and you click on Pages. When you do that, you'll see the name of the pages that you already have. So I have an about.php and a contact us.php. So I can configure the module, and what it's going to say is if I use the template called how to, which particular value do you want to have show up automatically? And it's how to info, because all of my pages go to how to info. So now I go back under edit, and I find the entry that I want to change. And what I want to change is terms of use. When I click on terms of use, it takes me to edit the page eventually. And you will notice that there is a Pages tab. My terms of use is pretty simple. It just says terms of use, and it has the body, which just says terms of use. I haven't put any actual real content in there. So if I click under Pages, Expression Engine comes back and says, well, which template do you want this to go to? And I want it to go how to info. And then I basically come up here where the page's URI is, and I say / what was the name of this again? Terms of use. Terms.php. And then I click on Update. Now if I go in to edit this entry, and you click on Pages again, you'll notice that there's a trailing / in there. Don't worry about that. It'll be fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a new window, and I'm going to put in my eehowto.com / terms.php. Now you can't see this here because my link is above the browser. But when I click on, you'll notice that it takes me immediately to terms of use. Pretty nifty. So this way, if I already had an existing site where I had a PHP file that was called terms.php, I could replace that file with the contents of what was inside of Expression Engine. Now the only caveat to doing this is that the terms.php file cannot exist on your current site. So if you have existing .php files from an old install, just put them in another directory temporarily. Sounds like it's not too hard to implement. Give it a try.